Before, after.
I am making a macrame cross, crisscross knots friendship. Bracelet. Unwrapping crisscross. I'm wrapping like this to make a crisscross style friendship bracelet. How are you? And good afternoon. Time check is 1:36 afternoon, I can say, or PM. Whatever comes first. So every time you make one round of a crisscross, you have to adjust and fix it, okay? Just like I'm doing right now. It's gonna be look like this. All right? Can you see me? Okay. It's so easy. Just put on top. It's different color that way you know exactly, and I don't get confused. Plus I don't have any more of this paracord blue. I think it's a greenish white color, so I just do the best I can. This is just my practice, okay? And sometimes practice is good. Yeah, like that. And make sure you get the same length of wide, okay? That's why you tied it like this. It's very strong. So this is a macrame paracord cross crisscross style friendship bracelet. Okay, tight but not too tight. This is the working cord, and the middle is the measurement, or braided they call it, to a measurement from the necklace or bracelet. Okay, that's why they call it braided. They do braided. Can braid it right there with a working cord is always outside, okay? What I do, I practice first until I know what I'm doing, and then I make the real one, same colors, or I can combine with different colors. It's up to you. I like this kind of style. Okay. I like square knot also. Just keep going like that. Over and over till you reach the end of the cross. What I do, I make the cross first. But make sure you measure your wrist, but this size, that length. Make it 8 inches. There you go. Almost there. Yes. Think one more around of crisscross, and we'll be done. Okay. Make sure you loosen up, poke the hole. That way you can insert. Use this kind of scissors. This is macrame scissors. What it is, it give you a loosen up, make it bigger hole, and then you insert like that. And I think one more to insert that. Puts that there. Careful where you're pushing because the end is sharp and you can scratch the cord really bad. So what I do, I pinch the material and push like that. Tail you see in the bottom. I think we can make one more insert here before we close down. So I'm gonna make it sure it's big hole. And then I insert this. It's a lot of work. It's okay. It pay off after. There we go. And then just, oh, it's tricky. It's stretched. See if you can finish this. Make a hole first. Big hole of this. Try to put that, watch out for the fingers. Might don't, make sure you don't pocket your finger. There. And see if we can insert this one more. But if not, don't try it because you might break it. Okay? But can put some a little bit more. Just do the best you can. Don't give up quick. I used to be giving up quick. Okay. I think that's the last one, and we can loose it up and push a little bit. That way it won't be too tight. Okay? Just like that. How's that? Okay? And this one here, the back, just pull this. That's the back right there. See it. Make sure it's tight and secure. And then all you gotta do is cut this. Okay, and we need a my lighter. Sorry. Get all the lighter. And this one right here. You're gonna burn that. See it sticking, stick it up like that. Just burn that sucker and put, and voila. There you go. How's that? Okay. And I do the same thing in the bottom. There's the cross. Okay. And in the bottom, same thing there. See you a little bit. Bye-bye for now. Okay, I'm back. Hello. Can you see it? Okay. Let me make sure you see what I'm doing here. Okay, so I'm just trying to finish the other side. Okay, as you can see, crisscross on top and then underneath. After the underneath, you pull on top again, underneath, you go. Same thing what I did from there to finish, and I'll show you how to close this. Okay, I'll be right back. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. Hello, I'm back. There we go. There it is. I just put a knot on the end, and there's the cross. I just gonna put that in my arm, not arm but wrist. Kind of tight to me, but you always make a way. There you go. It's a cross bracelet. This is a macrame paracord crisscross friendship bracelet. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.
Here's the thing about her. That woman is a force to be reckoned with. She's seen her fair share of trials and heartache that would bring most people to their knees. Not her.